Welcome to R2 Home channel. I'm Nozomi. Today we are going to show you how to propagate avocado using our signature propagation cone. These are the materials we are going to use, and some water in a bowl to wash the avocado seed, avocado obviously, and something to cut avocado. And it's gonna be a little messy, so something to wipe. We got some Japanese tea towel here and propagation cone. These are the stages of how avocado will grow, and then we're gonna walk through every single stage. Okay, now first I'm going to cut avocado to pick the avocado pit. I'm going to use the pocket knife we carry. It's very nice and sharp and very pretty as well. I'm going to cut this way. I don't want to hurt the pit inside, so usually kind of nice and gentle. Sometimes the flesh is too soft, but this one is, I think, pretty perfect. Oops. Okay, I feel the seed, and please wipe the knife so it won't last. Okay. And okay. I'm gonna use here. Other time I just cut here and peel it, but I don't want to hurt the seed. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna kind of use it as a, how do you say, spoon, and then wipe. Yeah, okay, and I'm going to wash this. It's really oily, right? In Japan, people say avocado is meat in the forest because of, I think it's so rich and a lot of healthy fat, very good fat. Wash, and then wipe. Okay, it's nice and pretty, and there is a outer skin on the avocado pit. What helps to germination is put in the water, and a couple of days put in the water, and it's the outer skin gonna be softened and easy to peel. That's what happened like in a tropical forest, lots of rain, and avocado fell off and cracked, and then kind of expose the seed, and then start rotting and then peel up naturally. We're trying to do it in the glass of water. Okay, so let's open up. So if you see this, you want to put water to cover the bottom of the avocado seed, but not on the prop cone. Only the bottom need to be in the water. And I've noticed since you peel the skin of the seed, of course you want to change the water frequently, but not as much as the one with skins. Less moldy and less slimy. But sometimes you're busy, you forgot to change the water, that's okay. All you have to do is wash the seed, wash the propagation cone, and water and wash everything. And then the reason why we recommend to not to keep the propagation cone in the water, it will definitely mold and also damage the fabric. Okay, it depends on where you live and the weather and the season. It varies when your avocado seed get rooted, but this in LA, this is about a couple weeks later you will start having a crack, and then you will see the root. And this one is 2 weeks later about, and you will see not only roots are getting longer, but you see sprouts start sprouting, and baby leaves are here. I would say your preference when you want to put seeds into soil, actual potting, it depends. Some people likes to, once you get rooted, they wanted to put in the soil, and other people prefer until they get until they get baby leaves. Okay, I think both are fine. By the way, I'm from Osaka, Japan. To get rooted like this in Osaka, it takes like 2 months. I don't know why. Probably different weather and stuff. Because Osaka summer very hot too, like LA. Then this one in LA, a couple months later, after you have a nice root and then baby leaf, you can put in a soil in a pot, and then it will help grow rapidly. And look at this beautiful healthy leaves. The one I have in Osaka at my mom's house is tall. I think 2.5 years later, it hit my mom's house ceiling. If we can put that photo, I want to put the photo right here. I'm not sure, but anyways, it's when you get it older, the stem's kind of getting thicker, and the one 2.5 years later is like thicker than my finger. So it's so much fun to see how they grow. It's like you having your own baby. It's same with the any. I hope you guys liked the video, and if you like it, please do not forget to subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions or requests, please let us know. Thank you for watching. ありがとうございました。